I for one enjoy the benefits of capitalism. Everybody says, well, shouldn't we just have a government that would pay for all these services? Well, let me ask you this. When your dad or your mom say you're going to take you out to eat after Sunday church, and your dad says, y'all come out to eat with me, I'll pay for it. Who decides what type of meal you're going to sit down to? It doesn't take long to figure out that it's going to be Dad, because Dad's footing the bill. When the government takes over paying for your health care, who do you think is going to determine what kind of health care you get? You're not going to sit down to eat lunch at the government's table and then tell them where you want to eat. They're going to tell you what type of health care you can receive, what they think is best for you in a certain situation, and your needs and your particular wants are not really going to matter that much to them. The purchaser in any transaction, the consumer, is first. The consumer is always first in the transaction. The provider has to satisfy the consumer, or the consumer will never buy what the provider has for sale. So when I go to Taco Bell or I go to Whataburger, they make it just like I want it, because if they don't, I won't buy it. So when government begins to order healthcare or begins to buy healthcare, who will the providers satisfy? Will they satisfy you, or will they satisfy the purchaser, which will be the government? They'll satisfy the government, and if you happen to be satisfied too, that'll be great, that'll be fine. But if you don't happen to be satisfied, that'll be fine too, because guess what? The provider gets paid either way, or you just don't get the service. So, benefits of capitalism today at the hospital, and I'm personally grateful for it. Now we're going to go inside and see my wife. We'll talk to y'all more about the benefits of capitalism in another posting.